It's time to breathe new life into your living room. And believe it or not, there's no need to do a total overhaul. We'll show you how to reimagine your space by making small changes in a few key areas, all with home decor from Hobby Lobby. First up, the fireplace. Start by changing out small accent pieces and new faux florals. Add little touches like black metal candlesticks, neutral throw pillows, and a sleek carafe bottle vase to complete the transformation. Love the furniture you already have? Just restyle it. New wall art and updated accents can make a focal point piece like this credenza feel fresh and trendy. You can also play with elements of texture to add interest to the shape. We switched the greenery with dried florals and added carved wooden candlesticks and an oversized bead garland. Bookshelves are another easy update. The key to making them pop is combining a variety of colors and finishes. For our look, we mixed wooden accents with hints of gold. Here's a tip. When you're working color into a neutral palette, go with a single hue to add contrast without making things too busy. When it comes to seating areas, you can make a big impact without a lot of work. Bring in new accent pillows, add some decorative vases, and choose the perfect framed art. It only takes a few simple edits to reinvent the room. Ready to curate a living room you love? Visit Hobby Lobby in-store and online to see our wide selection of home decor. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.